It's Saneski, and today I want to show you how to play the song This Is My Desire, or Lord, I Give You My Heart. It's such a beautiful song, and I'm going to start the introduction with just playing through the verse. This is my desire. And you go straight into the verse. So how do I play this introduction? I first start out with an E chord, and with my left hand, you might notice that I'm playing the flowy style. This is what I call the flowy style, or it's also arpeggio. In musical terms, it's so beautiful the way it flows. So I'm going to be playing all the chords like this, okay? So I'm going to be playing the 1, 5, 1. And sometimes I'm going to be capturing that 3, 3, 5, 1. And sometimes I'm just going to do 1, 5. This is the C sharp minor chord. Then you have an F sharp minor. And then an E. A B chord. And then you have a C sharp minor again. E chord, and then D, and then a B. And while I'm going to be playing this with my left hand, with my right hand, I'm going to be playing the melody, and it's going to look like this. So. And then I like to kind of do the transition of E and D sharp. That's kind of what I'm playing with my right hand, and then when you put it together, it sounds like this. Notice that I'm playing on that 5 again sometimes. And then A over here and F sharp with my left hand. E, and then B. Notice that transitional that I'm doing? It just makes it so much prettier. So the E and D sharp. Again, starting with the C sharp. E, D, and then E and F sharp, kind of to make that transition smoother. So that's kind of how the introduction looks like. If you want to see that again, go ahead and rewind and watch that again, because it does make the song so beautiful when you start out with a beautiful introduction. So that's how the introduction looks, and then you're going to step right into the verse, and you're going to play the verse almost the same way, except with your right hand, instead of playing that melody out, you're going to press on those chords. So E, C sharp minor, and then you have an F sharp minor, E, and then a B, and then C sharp minor, a E, and then a D chord, and finishing it off with a B. And notice that sometimes I'm going to want to play inverted chords, so instead of playing an E like this, sometimes I like to play my B down here, so it looks like this. It gives it like a deeper sound, so sometimes I really love inverted chords. I'm so sorry if I'm gonna play the inverted chords and you're not gonna really catch up. I'm gonna try and do the regular chords, but sometimes my mind just switches to the inverted ones because I love them so much. They totally changed my piano playing life. Anyway, so let's go through that verse together. So you go to E chord. Let's go from the introduction actually. So like to add that B4, then it back to E. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore is in you. Kind of building up for that chorus. Lord, I give you my heart. And that's when we go into the chorus. So you might have noticed in that second part of the verse, I started playing more like octave chords. So instead of doing that flowy style, I started playing, maybe like all that I adore is in you. You might have noticed those octaves. So if octaves are easier for you than playing the flowy style, you can definitely do that. Anyway, so moving on to the chorus, the chords are E. Lord, I give you my heart. A B chord. Optionally, you could make it a B/C chord or B over D sharp, sorry. So that means you're going to play B with your right hand and D sharp with your left hand here. And then you have a F sharp minor. It's kind of a dramatic chord for the song. And then you have an A for B, you alone, and then an E. And that kind of repeats. So let's see how that looks like together, going from the verse. So, all that I adore is in you. Lord, I give you my heart. I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake. Lord, have your way in me. Again, you can go right into that same introduction. And go into verse 2. This is my desire. So same thing, right? Again, I want to talk about the build up. Just because this song, it just kind of repeats, right? It goes from verse to chorus, verse to chorus. The way you build up is you play a lot more bass notes. So like, Lord, I give you my heart. So notice that I'm playing more chords with my right hand. And with my left hand, if I'm doing the flowy style, sometimes I'll play all of these notes together, or the fifth and one, or just that one, that first one, I'll play it a lot more to build that volume. So like when you're gonna get loud, that's how you want to play it. So like, man, that second chord. Pressing a lot more. Every breath that I take, every moment I wake, Lord, have your way in me. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. Again, just this is when you're going to be singing really loud, okay? If you want to sing quiet, you press less. So at the end, you can be like, Lord, I give you my heart. I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take. So You just press a lot less. So again, I'm going to go through the entire song just to help you out so you can watch me play and kind of sing along and play along with me. I'm going to start from the introduction. This is my I'm just gonna kind of end it off randomly like this. If you want to learn more on how to do this, just kind of improvise at the end of a song. I teach all of that in the piano ministry course. If you want to know more, it's pianoministrycourse.com. And that's how I would end off this song, and it's really simple. You're just playing verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.